I know, what the heck is this doing in my gym, all right? I have this in my mini workout space to remind me that I need accountability. I need to check in with somebody. So even though I train by myself, I know that there are people watching, and when there are people watching, you won't let them down. So what we're gonna do in today's challenge is we're gonna make sure that we sign up an accountability partner that we're gonna check in with every single darn day. This is a game changer, all right? Because when you have accountability, it's a secret ingredient to success. Listen, everything you need to know about building a business, about sales, you can find through books at the library, you can find through videos on YouTube, and yet, why are we not taking more action? It's because we don't have accountability. We don't have somebody there saying, did you do this? You said you were going to do this. Did you do it? Did you do it? Did you do it? And when you have somebody there checking in on you, and especially when you have somebody that you deeply do not want to disappoint in life, that's when you will move mountains in your business, in your personal habits, in your career. So make sure that you recruit an accountability partner today. If you don't have one, if you can't find one, hire a coach, hire a mentor. That's a game changer. When I did that, my results went in hockey stick, boom, from good, boom, to the top. And it will for you too, all right? So if you need help, drop me a comment below, send me a private message to get the coaching and accountability you need to grow your business and achieve maximum results in this challenge.